Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on Webull. First, you'll need to open and verify your Webull account, which typically takes a few minutes. Once verified, fund your account by linking a bank or using another deposit method. Ensure you meet any minimum deposit requirements. After your funds settle, navigate the Webull platform to explore various stocks, ETF, and other investment options available for purchase. After selecting an asset, tap the Trade button. You'll then choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to buy at. Next, input the number of shares you want to purchase. For example, you might buy 10 shares of a company. Review all details carefully before proceeding to the next step. Before finalizing, always review your order summary, checking the asset, quantity, and price. Once confirmed, submit your trade. You can monitor its status in the Orders section of your Webull app. A market order typically executes quickly, while a limit order will wait for your specified price. Remember, trades usually settle within 2 business days, meaning the actual transfer of funds and shares. To enhance your trading, leverage Webull's extensive research tools, including analyst ratings and financial data, to make informed decisions. Also, consider using advanced order types like stop-loss orders to help manage potential risks by automatically selling if a stock drops to a certain price. For more insights into financial wisdom, check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book, *The Simple Path to Wealth*, as well as other valuable deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.